好了吧？好，我们现在要回到林登了，回到林登，正在机场的路上。当年背井离乡，学会自我疗伤，谁在身旁，让谁被遗忘？圣诞节的铃铛，我却跳着心脏，背上我的行囊，经历过失望，我变得更强。终点还没到，每天小心翼翼的避开那些圈套，不会忘记那天给我最后的拥抱，不希望到最后你还要拿我去比较。在我是城市角落，我知道你在想我，请原谅我又再一次的不在你身边，眼光早就变，我应该如何面对的希望，我不后悔这你这一段时间。Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Chinatown. You know what it is, and we just fresh off the plane. Just come back to Linden, Washington State, man. Shout out to my city in Guangzhou. We just fresh off the plane, and this is gonna be my vlog channel, I think. I'm a high school student. I'm going to be a senior in high school, so it's gonna be late. It's also gonna be my last year, probably in these states. So yeah, I'm just excited about the future, man. Basically the future. And tell me what you think of the video, guys. If you like this video, subscribe for more, and comment down below. Just tell me what school are you from or what you're doing right now, you know. And yeah, basically this gonna be my first video, and we're gonna try to vlog in school and do some cool stuff. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, this your boy Chinatown. Alright, we out. See you next time. You know what it is.